Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to our I Create Art video tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at how to use oil pastels. So as you can see here, I have a reference image, I have a line drawing started, and we're going to be applying color to our pear. All right? So I want to take a look and see what colors are in my pear. It's not just a flat green. I've got a side that has a little bit more yellow and this nice white highlight on it. And then I have some shaded areas here and a little bit of orange on my pear also. So I want to start with my oil pastels using nice light pressure. So these blend really nicely together when you do them all at one time. If you do half of your pear and then do the other half on another day, it doesn't blend quite the same. So if you want things to blend, you do want to use your pastels all at the same time. So I'm just going to apply light pressure here, and I'm going to follow along with the shape or the form, the roundness of my pear. It's okay if we don't have every little bit filled in. I do want every little bit filled in, but as I apply more and more colors, I can start to fill in those gaps and everything will blend together. I'll use a little bit of my light green here. Fill in this spot right here. I'm going to go over my yellow. It's not just yellow, it's just a lighter, more yellow green. I'll be nice and careful around my edges. So you can see how this green and this green look a little bit different. There was no yellow underneath there. All right, I'll get my nice white area here. Sometimes our pastels get a little bit dirty. You can just rub that off a little bit, or just let it blend on the paper anyway. And then we'll go back in and we'll start building up those layers. So get those colors really blended together. You can start pressing a little bit harder for that once you're comfortable with the color combinations that you have, so that everything just kind of melts in to one. It's okay if you still have some lines showing in there. I'm going to add a little bit of shadow, a little bit of dark down here. You can see how that just started to blend in. Almost blended a little bit too much right there. So just go back in. Right on top. Maybe I'll even use my darker green right here. There. That nice shadow on the bottom, going up here to even out my green and my yellow. Take your time and build up your colors. Here's my my white. Remember, I put that white in here. So if I put my green on top of my white a little bit, here, keep that nice light highlight in here. There's some of it right there. Soften that edge of green and yellow right there. And go back in with that nice highlight right here. And then if I want a little bit of that texture on my pear, this is where, if you save this, you can almost add some of your marks on top on a different day if you want, and they'll just sit right on top there. Have the brown, maybe a little bit of dark green, maybe touch the dark green right on top of the brown. Kind of experiment with the different colors that you get resting on top. So that's how you would blend your oil pastels and also add some extra detailing on top. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe, and then you can definitely see more from us. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.